Okay, I'm going to show you how to create that spreadsheet that I shared with you in class. So I'm going to use a function called PV for present value. I'll open up the wizard here. Here's my wizard. So rate is I, payments is period, or number of periods, payments, future value, and type. Do the same thing for here, FV. Open up my wizard. Rate, number of periods, payments, present value, and type. Over here, do payments, PMT, rate, number of periods, present value, future value, type. Let's go ahead and do rate for I. I'm clicking this little FX button to open up my wizard in present value, payments, future value, type. Last one will be number of periods. That's MPR. And it's going to be rate, payments, present value, future value, type. Hit OK. Then I'm going to do a quick check. I know that for a bond where the coupon rate is equal to the yield, the bond will sell at par. So I'm going to say 10 years, 10% interest rate, which I need to put in 0.01. Payments, that's $100, $1,000, and then I'll do ending, and I get $1,000 as expected. I'll put in 10% minus 1,000, 100, and 0, and I get $1,000, which is the same answer as this one right here. Come over here and do the same thing. You might sometimes need to expand out if you see number, or pound, pound. Go ahead and expand those out like that. So 10%, negative 1,000, 1,000, 0, and we should see we get $100, which is the same as that. Let's go ahead and calculate a rate. 10, negative 1,000, 100, 100, 1,000, 0, and we get 10%. Now I can't do the same thing with the payment because watch, I will change 10, I'll change this to 9, I'll change this to 7. Notice that nothing changes here, and that's due to the fact that it's selling at par. So I'll just do something like 10%, negative 1,000, and then 0, and then 2,000, and this is telling me how long it will take me to double my money, which is 7.2 years at a 10% interest rate. And that's how you build that spreadsheet.